hang on about 2 minutes. Now, as you have just seen, the worst this weekend was in Spain, along the south of France and in Italy. Now, it's improved here, and the concentration for the next day or two is going to be Greece, with northerly gales, snow, and across the Bosphorus in Turkey, and probably in Bulgaria as well. That also, of course, means daytime frosts as far south as, let's say, central mainland Greece. But we are still sitting in our benign anticyclone, which we've had for about 2 weeks now, which means we're sitting here chasing large areas of cloud that just wander around here, which you either get a very hard frost at night and a sunny day, or you get cloud all the time and not much variation. But this will change. In our favour, I think, those of us who like a bit of winter. The wind will pick up and that'll tend to break the cloud up. A cold direction. By the end of the week, I think we'll get quite a nip in the air. A cold blue, that suggests daytime wind chill, a significant drop in temperature. So for this week we will change. We'll start off much the same as we've been, but by midweek increasing cold and windy weather, some snow on the mountains of Scotland in particular. By the end, the really cold air sinks in, wind chill, and maybe some snow showers. Not for everybody, not just yet, but it's the start of a trend. Today, though, we've seen the cloud banks to Wales and the West Country where the morning sunshine was so brilliant, and that's how it'll continue for the day. Little breaks elsewhere, otherwise it's a definitely cloudy day with temperatures as low or even lower than yesterday. 4 at best in Derbyshire, actually only 1 or 2 not far away from Manchester now. Tonight, with a few holes in the cloud, coming back to East Anglia and the London area, we could see a frost. It'll be dotted around elsewhere, otherwise a lot of cloud to prevent it. So the likelihood of sun tomorrow is probably southern England. I can't be absolutely sure, I have to say, but it might well be a foggy start, hard to lift. And there'll be breaks here and there, Northern Ireland a prime example, but on the whole it'll be another cloudy day, cold, with a spot or 2 of rain. Wednesday is when things start to change. First in Scotland, we bring the first belt of cloud, a cold front down through Scotland and northern England. Temperatures behind will drop, and there'll be a fair old blast of northwesterly or northerly wind. That's a great deal of difference. Thursday, though, we start to tip the really cold stuff in. It starts here, this low in the Norwegian Sea, heads down across the North Sea to be in the Kattegat, and that's the draw. Up winds for the end of the week. Doesn't mean a severe change immediately, but as I say, it's the start of a trend. So Thursday increases, the cold in Scotland starts to thicker cloud southwards. We'll see some winter falling out to lower levels. Friday, the cold air really starts to sink across Scotland, and the trend continues beyond the weekend. I suggest there's a fair chance of a bit of white stuff for Scotland and eastern England, something like 30%.